就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。我们通常给人家加油打气，就会说加油加油嘛，
加油加油。
客语也可以这样说就对了。
是啊。
Okay, when you want to encourage someone to do well on something, then you might say 加油 in Mandarin, and in Hakka again is
加油
加油。How about let's bring you a situation where someone is preparing for a test and the other person is giving him or her some encouragement. Okay, 我们来听一段这种要考试前准备要加油的一个对话好了。
OK。
就要考試誒，準備到樣板呢？
阿忙準備好，
加油，一定冇問題。
我聽到他說還忙，什麼準備還沒準備好，
還忙準備好
呀，就跟我很像，
真的
到最後一天才能臨時抱佛腳。All right, let's break down the sentence one by one. Someone is about to take a test and not prepared and getting some encouragement. 好，第一句就是快要考試了，你準備得如何？
就要考試誒，
就要考試誒，
準備到樣板誒。
準備到樣板呢？
就要考試誒，準備到樣板呢？
因為準備就是準備
prepare，
然後樣板呢？
怎麼樣啊？如何啊？
是這意思嗎？ Okay, that means how have you prepared? Prepared is 準備 and then 樣板呢 means how has it been when you prepared for your test? 考試叫做
考試。
Okay, that's a test, an examination. And the person answers, I'm not ready for it yet. 還沒準備好。
還忙準備好。
還忙準備好。還沒準備好，就是這5個字。Okay, I haven't prepared for it yet.
還忙準備好。
還忙準備好。And the answer is 加油，你一定沒問題。Which in this sense is like work hard. You should have no problem with it.
加油。
加油。
一定冇問題。
一定冇問題。你一定沒問題。
一定冇問題。一定沒問題。
我覺得這一篇非常實用，非常好。All right, 那我們就來 review 幾個單詞。OK， 包括這個考試 a test， 考試 and to prepare 準備 and then no problem 沒問題
冇問題。
Okay, let's listen to the conversation again.
就要考試誒，準備到樣板呢？
還忙準備好。
加油，一定冇問題。
And this month, we're teaching you situations where you're going to encourage someone by saying, study hard, go, 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 that type of thing. It's called 加油.
加油.
加油. And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.